welcome to Niecy's Custom. I hope you stick around, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing everyone what kind of sublimation stuff that I have to make my make some Christmas gift for family members, friends, co-workers, etc. But I would like to give a shout out to Sharon Rayford. I didn't forget about you, girl. I'm gonna do that learning pillow for you. Don't worry about it. I got you. If I can have to make a video personally for you, I'm gonna do that video for you, okay? First of all, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I want to show you is the 9-panel pillow. I got this right here from I can't remember where I got this from, but I'm gonna research it and I'm gonna put it in the description below. So it's a 9-panel pillow. Also I have, let me see, I have the long pillow with 6 panels on it. This right here is good for a Christmas gift. Also I have, you know, the regular 16 by 16 pillow. This is what I do my learning pillows on this. Oh, and I have a bag. A bag with let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 9 panels. This right here will be a good Christmas gift for like a grandmother or something like that, to put all the kids' pictures on it. And you can also sub on the back as well. I have a lot of things, but I just pull out a few things to show you what I'm doing. I have this license plate, good for like a teenager or a preteen to put their name on it, so they can put it on their door, or for anyone who want to put a license plate on the front of their car. I have also, oh, I dropped it, a money clip. A money clip that's good for a mail. And I also have these chapstick holders. It's a keychain. You just put your chapstick down in here, and it also comes with a ring to put as on a keychain. Okay, what else I can show you? I have these ID tags. I have these ID tags. That's a good Christmas gift. ID tags. What else I have in here? And I have these pop sockets that you put on the back of a cell phone. You can customize these too. I have these. Let me see if I can open it. Put it on the back of a cell phone. And I have these 17-ounce cans that you can customize these. These right here are a great Christmas gift for someone. I have the 17-ounce, and I also have the 12-ounce cans. What else? I have, you know, the Christmas ornaments. You can sub on the back, the front and the back. I have a lot of these in different shapes, but right now I can't locate them. But I have a lot of these right here. These are just good. I'm just pointing out, showing you just items that I have that I'm planning on doing Christmas gifts for. I have these earrings, custom earrings. You can sub on the front and the back. Custom earrings. And they come with the piece to go in the ears. And I also have the small ones as well. Okay, these are a few things that I got from the Dollar Tree that I'm planning on subbing on. I have these pot holders. You can sub on these. And I have the I know you can't sub on colors that well, but I have the Sub Easy that I purchased, and I'm planning on doing a video on how I'm doing this. Also, I find at the Dollar Tree 100% polyester is this table runner. I found from the Dollar Tree as well. I think that was cool. When I saw it, I had to pick up a few of them. But 100% polyester, you can sub on those. And I picked up these socks as well from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to make for my son for Christmas. 100% polyester. You can sub on these as well. Okay, that's all I have for right now to show you, but I have a lot more other stuff that I can show you. I'm gonna just do another video on those items. But if you want to know where I got some of my items from, just send me a comment and I'll let you know. Okay? Remember, God loves you and I love you too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Peace.